How to unlike Reels on Facebook app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to unlike Reels on Facebook app. Without further ado, let's get started. As always, I recommend making sure your app is up to date to the latest version. So for that, you need to head to the Play Store. Here search for Facebook app and if updates available, tap update and update to the latest version. Now open Facebook. Head to the home page. Proceed by tapping menu icon at top right. Tap Setting and Privacy. Tap Settings. Choose Activity Log. Now tap on Your Facebook Activity. Now tap on Comments and Reaction and manage Comments and Reaction. Tap on Filter. Choose the category. Tap on Like and Reaction. So here you will see a list of all the posts and reels you have liked recently. To unlike a reel, tap the three dots next to any reel and now tap on unlike button. With this, you will successfully unlike reels on Facebook app. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.